Welcome to Career Sneak Peek. If you're loving what we do here, we'd greatly appreciate it if you could hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video. We're excited to have you here. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to explore the awe-inspiring career of an astronaut. In the United States, being an astronaut means being part of NASA's prestigious astronaut corps. NASA's astronauts are extraordinary individuals who are carefully selected from a diverse pool of candidates and undergo rigorous training to qualify for space missions. They embody the spirit of exploration, conducting groundbreaking scientific research and advancing technology on behalf of NASA. Aspiring astronauts face a series of demanding assessments and evaluations. These range from comprehensive interviews with a panel of experts to thorough medical examinations ensuring candidates are in peak physical and psychological condition. Tests and assessments push their cognitive abilities, spatial orientation skills, and problem-solving capabilities to the limit. Once chosen, the selected candidates embark on a transformative training program, immersing themselves in the intricacies of spaceflight. They master spacecraft systems, conquer the challenges of spacewalks, become adept at robotics, and learn emergency procedures that could mean the difference between life and death. The responsibilities of an astronaut extend far beyond the Earth's atmosphere. They have played a pivotal role in the success of the International Space Station, conducting long-duration missions, performing experiments, and maintaining vital systems. They have ventured to the Moon as part of historic Apollo missions and are now at the forefront of planning crewed missions to Mars, pushing the boundaries of human exploration. The dedication and expertise of U.S. astronauts contribute significantly to the advancement of space exploration and our understanding of the universe. Their unwavering commitment to safety, their thirst for knowledge, and their ability to adapt to the challenges of living and working in microgravity environments make them true heroes of our time. On our career rating scale, the astronaut career earns an impressive 4 out of 5 stars for its salary prospects, showcasing the recognition and value given to their contributions. However, it's worth noting that the journey to becoming an astronaut is not an easy one. An entry difficulty rating of 5 out of 5. When it comes to stress levels, we rate it as a 5 out of 5. And when it comes to job satisfaction, it's a resounding 5 out of 5 stars. According to NASA's published astronaut salaries for 2021, experienced astronauts can earn between $66,167 and $161,141 per year, depending on their grade within the astronaut corps. Astronauts find immense meaning in their work, rating it a remarkable 4.3 out of 5. Their work environment, although challenging, is highly rewarding, with 27 astronauts rating it a solid 4.0 out of 5. To become an astronaut, aspiring candidates need to meet specific criteria. First, a bachelor's degree in a science, technology, engineering, or mathematics (STEM) field is usually required, with advanced degrees being advantageous. Relevant experience in space exploration or aerospace engineering, along with excellent physical fitness, is also crucial. Flight experience, such as being a pilot or a test pilot, provides valuable skills. Citizenship, language proficiency, and specific personal qualities round out the qualifications. The selection process is rigorous, encompassing multiple rounds of evaluations, interviews, medical assessments, and physical tests. These steps are meticulously designed to identify the most qualified candidates who possess the resilience, adaptability, problem-solving abilities, teamwork skills, and commitment to safety required for the extraordinary journey of space exploration. Once selected, astronauts carry out a diverse range of duties, including mission preparation, immersing themselves in comprehensive training, studying mission objectives, and becoming familiar with mission timelines. Spacecraft operations, operating and monitoring spacecraft systems, maintaining life support, and ensuring communication with mission control. Research and experimentation, conducting scientific experiments to further our understanding of biology, physics, human physiology, astronomy, and technology development. Extravehicular activities, venturing outside the spacecraft to perform tasks like repairs, maintenance, payload installations, and testing new technologies. Teamwork and collaboration, working closely with crewmates and mission control, effectively communicating, and contributing to mission success. Public engagement and education, inspiring and educating the public through interviews, educational programs, and sharing their experiences as ambassadors of space exploration. Physical and mental health maintenance, prioritizing physical fitness, managing mental well-being, and navigating the unique challenges of living and working in space. Remember, the path to becoming an astronaut is one of perseverance, dedication, and an unwavering spirit. While the odds of becoming an astronaut stand at a mere 0.067%, the impact and fulfillment that come with this extraordinary career are immeasurable. Join us as we continue to explore captivating careers that shape our world and expand our horizons. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time,